Hey guys, I'm down here at Table Rock Lake in southwest Missouri, probably the prettiest lake in all of Missouri in my opinion. We just started a new pool today. I'm gonna flip it around and give you a sneak peek here. Um, it is a vinyl liner, and this is really gonna showcase really nicely just how versatile these ICF pools are. A regular standard vinyl liner would have been considerably more expensive to put on the side of this hill due to the amount of fill we would have had to do to get up two parts of it. And then the grade of the pool is going to be up here at the deck height. So we are using a little thicker core ICF, 10-inch core, to give us some structural stability. And the pool itself is going to act as a retaining wall for about 3/4 of the retaining wall. There will be a return back here, and there will be a return over to between the deck here and the air conditioning, and that will be extra retaining wall. They'll backfill all this with gravel and then have concrete poured beyond the deck. So really gorgeous setting. It's one of our mini builds me and Austin are doing this winter. But this one is it's going to be a really good showcase. It's in a gorgeous location. It's going to be a really pretty pool. It's about a 16 by 36 vinyl liner with auto cover, Aquamatic auto cover. Just a really, really nice quality pool. Can't wait to bring you more. We're off to the pool show in Dallas.
All right, guys, I will just kind of continue to expound on this really cool project while we watch Austin try to dig a hole in the Table Rock region. It's called Table Rock for a reason. If you guys watched closely during that time lapse, you saw him pull out a few shelf rocks that were probably about 18 inches thick. There's one of them right there where he's trying to grab it with the thumb. It is basically this area around the lake on the sides of the hills and everything is just layered with these rocks, and very often we don't have to get a rock breaker because they will kind of peel out if you can get under them or get at them at the right angle. That said, we are going to need a rock breaker for a couple little pieces sticking out of the side of the dig, because if we even could move them, we'd be a little worried about undermining the deck. So we're just going to break the tips off that would be intruding on our pool wall and move on. But in the coming weeks, I'll be bringing you a lot more. This is really this kind of setting. This is very similar to the setting that won Austin an award at World of Concrete this upcoming season, because ICF pools are much easier to place on sides of hills than any other kind of pool because of their inherent structural stability. That other kinds of pools, gunite, you'd have to build false work and retaining walls. Vinyl liners, you'd have to build big retaining walls to, sustain the pool structure because they're not made to stand on their own. So that's really why we love ICF, guys. I can't wait to bring you more of this project.